Happy Mother's Day! This video is for my mom. She couldn't be here to go with me on Mother's Day, but I'm sure she would have loved this little drive in the mountains. I have hours and hours of video, but I'm pretty sure Mom isn't going to sit and watch that. So I've narrowed it down to some of the highlights. It is all filmed in widescreen format, so you get the best view, but the corners are spread out and don't look very sharp. It was scheduled to be a hot day of about 95 degrees, but I was motivated. I've read that one's feet and legs can get mighty warm inside the Cobra. On this day, I was wearing shorts and didn't notice any heat or discomfort whatsoever. I was moving most of the time though, and I imagine that is different than sitting in traffic. I'm really blown away by the Cobra's capability. While I was certainly going a lot faster than the curve warning sign suggested was safe, I didn't feel like I was flying, at least not until I came upon other vehicles. Obviously, this wasn't a race, and most folks were probably out for a relaxing drive. That said, it was behind other vehicles that I really noticed how nimble and quick the Cobra is on these mountain roads. Thanks for watching, and Mom, I hope you enjoyed our little Sunday afternoon drive. Happy Mother's Day.